Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Suha and today I wanted to do a base makeup routine only using cream products. And since it's winter, I thought this would be the perfect time to do a cream based routine, because usually if we do this during the summertime, we get greasy, we get oily, and it's just not nice. And from foundation to concealer to bronzer to blush to highlighter, everything I used is cream or liquid. So if you guys want to see how you can do a base makeup only using cream products, then keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more of my videos. And without any further ado, let's move on with this tutorial. So apply primer on a clean face, and I'm using e.l.f. poreless primer. After that, I'm using this corrector palette by BH Cosmetics and using this green shade to color correct the areas where I have some dark patches. And I'm also using pink color on my eyelid because I have some veins which needs to be covered. So yes, I'm using pink color, green color and yellow corrector underneath my eyes. This also works as a concealer, so I won't be using concealer afterwards. Wow, I look like a ghost. I'm using an EcoTool sponge to blend out these concealers. Then I'm using my favorite foundation for this winter, and it's the Loreal True Match. It's very lightweight and easy to blend. It's just an amazing formula. Again, I'm using EcoTool sponge to blend all the foundation. And I'm using Sonia Kashuk cream bronzer to contour my face. And using an EcoTool sponge again, I'm just blending it out. This is a blush palette by Revolution. I do love this palette. It has a lot of colors and it can be easily blend with your fingers, which I think is great. Then I'm using this mini highlighter by Benefit. It's the High Beam, and just blending it out using my fingers. Just using a lip palette from Aesthetica and applying one of their lip colors. Okay, I am using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and just using a yellow shade as my transition color. This is going to be a very simple eye look, so I'm just going to use 3 colors to do this. And then I'm using the Jacklyn Hill palette and applying this teal green shade from there. And then I'm going in with another frosty pinkish color. Now I'm applying a eyeliner by Revolution, and that is it. We are done. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have learned something, and feel free to ask me your questions, your queries in the comment section below. So that's all for today. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!